Formatting a table.
Formatting a table means organizing and designing it to make the information inside clear and easy to read. This includes creating headers, aligning text, using borders, maintaining proper spacing, ensuring a consistent style, highlighting important information, and more. These elements work together to help viewers quickly understand the data presented in the table.
Let us study about some of the ways in which we can format a table. Changing row height and column width. To change the row height or column width, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the row or number of rows.
Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3. Change the height and width of cells from the Height and Width scroll box.
Changing the text alignment. To change the alignment of the text in a table, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select the cell or cells.
Step 2. Click on Layout tab under Table Tools. Step 3.
Go to Alignment options in Alignment group. Select the alignment you want to apply to your text.